Oh man, who has this sweet Quicksilver CO6? Damn, is it nice? Oh yeah, I remember who has it now. Ha! Real Yellow Pearl Honda S2000 CR. Looks pretty good with the RPF ones. This Eva looks nice. Red rims. Pretty sweet. Rat Rod's pretty awesome. Chevy. Pretty badass. Not bad. Wow. The knife blade just sticking right out of the steering wheel. It sounds incredibly dangerous. Interesting. Looks pretty cool. Nice.
No, actually, so this are important. So this is 8 feet. Yeah. This is 4 feet. So 1 down.
Dude, this thing is badass.
It does. You're sitting somewhere around trunk point.
Dude, this thing's awesome.
Thank you.
Crazy. Looks pretty sweet.
Thank you, thank you. It's fun.
Man, those pipes are they're large, obviously.
Yeah, quite. 8 feet to the top, 8 feet to the ground.
That's insane.
California legal limit is 11, so I got room.
C506 with Toyo R888s. So very, very sticky. Looks awesome in black. And the stock wheels look like they are painted gunmetal or powder coated gunmetal. That's very nice. Man, I'm loving this glitter wrap stuff. It's awesome. Damn, that's cool. Very sweet on this 370Z. Awesome. Very, very nice. That's great. Check out this stunning pink wrap on this Acura NSX. Pink glitter. This thing is so hot. Looks awesome with the raised wheels. Damn, this is sweet. Thank you for watching StickShiftStudios. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more automotive content. Have a great day.